What's up, y'all? It's Mikeya. Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a quick review on this unit that I received from Divatress. And you guys, this is one of the first places I ever bought wigs from, and I was so like, when they was like, we want you to do a review, and I was like, yes, I would love to. And you guys make sure you thumbs this video up and please subscribe to my channel. I would love it. Join the family so you won't ever miss an upload. But if you guys want to see my review, quick installation, I'll be putting this on, then you guys should continue to watch. This wig is from Sensationnel. This is the Empress lace wig, and then the style Tuscany, and I have the color 1B. And you guys make sure you check the description down below for all the details for this unit. Thank you so much for Divatress for sending this to me. And you guys, let's jump right into this unboxing of this wig. Ooh, she's long. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, she is long. She's really long. Oh my gosh. Okay, I never had a long wig before, so this is something new for me. It has a deep curved part, has two combs in the front, in the middle, and it's also one in the back, and it has a net in the front. Not a net, but you know, a lace front. Let's put her on. And first, of course, I have to unlatch the, it has the adjustable straps in the back. I forgot to tell y'all that. But, of course, I got to unattach them because I have a big head. So this is how she looks on, you guys. Let me straighten it out a little bit. Okay, let me cut the lace off and we're gonna go from there, okay? Now I have the lace cut off. I just left like an inch around it. So I'm gonna put it back on and let's see how we looking. And next time I braid my hair, I'm gonna put my part on the side. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Okay, let's bring it down some. I really like the fact that I don't have to even glue it down. It just matches, matches my skin kind of really good. And I'm just reviewing it for you guys right now. I'm not really like wearing it. Just wanted to put it on and show you guys. Okay, let me give you guys my thoughts on this piece. Well, first of all, I love how long it is. Like I never had a long wig before, so this is like so new to me, and it's like, what to do with long hair? Like I'm so used to hair like being mid-back, or I don't know, I'm just so used to it being in my back and not down my back, so it's kind of new. I probably have to style her off camera and I can come back and show you guys how I style it, but first off, it's really tight and I like that. And I will wear her in the winter time. It's too hot for her right now. But I really will wear her out. So I'm going out somewhere. She is like gorgeous. When I saw her online on the website, I was just like, oh my God, I want her. I need to disguise it a little bit more. But I love the fact that I don't really have to like glue this down or gel it down, or, you know, I really don't have to do that. I love that about this. I love that. She's really nice. She is soft. I love the color. I give this wig a go. I love it. Let me go finish styling it and I'll be right back because I'm not liking the way I'm styling it, and I have to make it frame my face. So let me go fix that. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So I figured out how the direction it's supposed to go, because I'm so used to my part being on this side. I want my hair, you know, the part on this side, and bulk of the hair going on this side of my face, but it goes on the opposite side. So let me show you guys the length. Let me zoom out. Y'all see how long that is? That's beautiful. And she's full. Most in wigs like this, they have this type of curl that kind of don't have a lot of fullness to them, but she is full. I love this one. I love her. She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. Okay, you guys, this is my review on this unit. I really, really love her. She's beautiful. Like, she's gorgeous. I love it. I love it. So I'm gonna leave all the details down below for this week. Make sure you guys check out Divatress. But you guys check them out down below. I'm gonna leave everything. If you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up. It will help out a lot. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Like, yes, girl. Circle small, only real ones. When it comes down to I can't wait.